Hi guys, welcome back to Masking Past Paper by Susan Tutor. Today we are going to discuss stage 4 progression test mathematics paper 1. It's in the question and answer form. Each question will be given time interval to get your own answer. Grab your pen and paper or pencil and or writing pad so you may count and check out the answer along this quiz. Okay, so this is from year 2023. The real test for this time duration is 40 minutes and you may need set square. Answer all question. Total paper is 30 marks. Okay, let's get started from number 1. Alright, number 1, here's a counting frame. This is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. Write the numbers shown on the counting frame in figures. Let's check out the answer, guys. So in here we see the answer is 4057. You got it correct? Okay, if you need explanation, here's the explanation. If not, you may skip to the next question. So 4 comes from the 4 bits in the thousands place, so 4 become 4000. And since this is 0 in hundreds place, so this is 0. And then for the tens place, 5 comes from, there are 5 bits, 1 2 3 4 5 bits, so that's 50. Now for the 7 place here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, that's all. Next, question 2. Here are 4 polygons. 1 2 3 4. Draw a ring around each regular polygon. Well, the answer is we have this one and also this one. How does it work? Regular polygon, this is in bold. It means the polygon has all equal sides, so we can see this is equal sides, and same as this well as well. Well, why this one is not? Because we see that this distance is not the same as this distance, so they are not equal. Well, this is the same, this distance is shorter than this one. Alright, that's the explanation. Let's move on. Now we are in number 3. Draw a line to join each statement to the correct likelihood statement. Gabriella's birthday will be on the same day every year. Gabriella's birthday will be in a month that contains the letter R. Likelihood, impossible, maybe, likely, certain. So what is the answer, guys? So every year, the same day, that is impossible. Now Gabriella's will be in a month that contains the letter R. That will be likely. What is the explanation? The same day every year, the birthday, that is not going to ever happen. So that's the reason we answer impossible. Now Gabriel's birthday will be a month that contains the letter R. Wow, why do we choose a likely instead of certain or instead of maybe? So let's check the month with R is January. February has R, March has R, April has R, May it doesn't have R, June, July, August, September has R, October, November and December. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 months out of all together is 12 months. So this is definitely more than half. More than half. So when it's more than half, because the half of this is 6/12, so then we answer the word likely. It means greater possibility than half. Alright, so maybe is 50-50, so that will be when the chances is 6/12. So then why don't we answer certain? Because certain is for a, it will certainly happen, while this one, it might not be certain. It's not certain, as only 8 months out of 12 that has the letter R, but the other 4 months doesn't have R, so it is likely. I mean, the chances is more than half. Right, let's move on. Right, question number 4. Here are 3 2D shapes here. Write the number of lines of symmetry for each shape on the answer lines. Okay. Let's check out the answer, guys. Well, for this one is a 1. For the next one in here is a 4, and next one is the 2. How does it work? One line of symmetry is this one here, so when we fold it will be matching, and then this is 4, so 1 2 3 and 4. And this one, how is it? 2 1 here and 2 here. Okay, we hope it's clear. Let's move on. Right, number 5. Here's part of a fraction wall. D, 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 and C, C, B, and A. Write the letter that represents the smallest fraction. Let's check out the answer, guys. So the smallest fraction is D. You can see D is the smallest fraction because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 9, right? That is smallest fraction. Let's move on. Question 6. Here is a pattern with dots. The pattern continues in the same way. First term, second term, third, and fourth. Write the number of dots in the 9th term. Okay. Well, the answer is 81. You won't need explanation. So you see the first term is 1 dot, the second term is 2 by 2, third term is 3 by 3, and the fourth term is 4 by 4. So the 9th term will be 9 by 9. Well, 9 times 9 times 9 is 81. That's how we got the answer. Let's move on. Question 7. Here are 2 bar charts that show the number of people that attend the first 4 matches of 2 football teams, Team 1 and Team 2. And write the smallest number of people that attend any matches. Here we go. First, second, third, fourth match and number of people. And Team 2 is this one, the number of people, versus the match here, 1, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, time. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So it's a 70 here. How do you know 70? We just find the shortest bar, so it is pointing to 70 because 70 is between 60 and 80. Alright, let's move on. Okay, 7b. Write down the total number of people that attend the 4 matches of Team 1. And you need some more time, please pause this video. So the answer is 500 for this one. How does it work? So we just have to get the value of first match, that is 150, which is between 140 and 160. Second match is 110, which is between 100 and 120. Third match is pointing to 140, and fourth match is 100. So we add up all 150 plus 110 and 100 plus 140 and 100, so it total up to 500. That's the answer. Alright, for this question number 8, here's a rectangle. Measure the perimeter of a rectangle, use a ruler. So for this question you can print it out. PDF will be provided if this video reach 20 likes, so share with your friends. To get 20 likes, then it will be provided the link for PDF in comment section. Now the answer for this is example. So how do we get that is let's say this is, we measure with ruler is 7, and this will be, let's say, 3. So we just add them all, because perimeter is we add all the edges here. So 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3, that total up to 14 plus 6 equals to 20. Okay, now we are in question 9. Here are 6-digit cards. Ahmed makes 3 2-digit numbers that are all in the 6 times table: 6, 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. Complete the boxes to show the 3 numbers that Ahmed makes. Use each digit cards once. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. Well, in case you need some more time, please pause this video. So we'll reveal the answer now. So we can write like 12 and 36 and 54. Okay, so we just have to memorize the 6 times table. That is 6 times 1, or multiple of 6, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5, and 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 6 times 9. Alright, so 6 times 9 is 54, 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 2 is 12. Alright, let's move on. Alright, now number 10. Here's a shape on a square grid here. Estimate the area of the shape. Alright, so for this one, it's also good if you have the PDF printout. So again, share with your friends, so this video can gain 20 likes, and the link will be given in the comment section. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So guys, the answer for this is 36.5. The answer for this question may vary from one to another participant. So this is the example of how you get the answer. So we just put the full square with the orange dot, 1, 2, this all, then we count 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That is orange dot. Now with the half square, this one is triangle, so I mark with blue dot. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 of half square, so it will form 5.5, because 2 square will combine, 2 triangle will combine to 1 square. So now what about this one that is more than half? So we count as 1, because it's more than half. 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 4, so we add up all together, it's 36.5. So this is the example correct answer. If you have any other answer, please write in the comment section if you need to clarify, or it might be helpful for other participants. Alright, let's move on. Now we are in question 11. Oliver makes 3D shapes from these 2D faces. This makes a what, and this makes a what? So write down the name of the correct 3D shape on each answer line. Let's check out the answer, guys. So this makes a cone. So this is picture of cone after we fix it in 3D. Now this will make cylinder. This is the picture of cylinder in 3D. This is a 2D. Alright, let's move on. Now question 12. Here are 4 statements about the properties of prisms and pyramids. Alright, this is a 3D shape, true and true. The faces are always flat, blank. The number of vertices is always even, blank. The number of faces is always even. So write true or false here for each statement. One has been done for you. If you need some more time to think, please pause this video. We will reveal the answer now. Okay guys, this is the correct answer. So faces are always flat, true. Prism and pyramid. Number of vertices is always even. For prism is true. For pyramid is false. So it's always even. We see this pyramid has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertex. 5 vertices, so this is false. So not always even. Now number of faces is always even. For prism and pyramid both are false, so always even. So we take example, this one face is 1, 2 up and top and bottom, and the side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, so it's not always even. It may be odd. And also this one, this pyramid has one face at the bottom, and then lateral face is 1, on the side right and left 2, front and back 3 and 4, so 5 also. So this is the answer. Let's move on. Number 13, Yusuf thinks of two numbers. The sum of the numbers is 200. The difference between the numbers is 60. Write Yusuf's two number. Okay, you need some more time, please pause this video. Well, the answer is 70 and 130. However, if you have any other possible answer, please write in the comment section. So how do we get this answer? So we have to know that the sum is 200, so and there are two numbers, so we can start from a, like say 50 to 150, but the difference is in here is 150 minus 50 is 100, but we want the difference is 60, so we increase this one to 60 and this one decrease to 140. Now the difference becomes 180. 140 minus 60, it will become a 80, and then we increase again 70 to 130. Now we get 130 minus 70 is 60, so that's what we want. Okay, let's move on. So now we got number 14. Write a number in each box to make the statement correct. 5 days the same as blank hours, 5 minutes the same as blank second, 5 years the same as blank month, 5 hours the same as blank minute. You need some more time, please pause this video. We'll check out the answer, guys. So here we go. This is the correct answer. 5 days the same as 120 hours, 5 minutes is equals to 300 seconds, 5 years is 60 months, 5 hours is 300 minutes. How do we get the answer? So 1 day 2 hour is 24, so 5 times 24 will get 120. Now minutes 2 seconds, we have to multiply by 60. So if 5 multiplied by 60 will get 300. Now from years to month, 1 year is 12 months, so we have to multiply this one by 12. So if we multiply by 12 we get 60. Now hours, 2 minutes will get 1 hour is 60 minutes, so 5 times 60 is a 300. Alright, let's move on. Well, now number 15. Here are some symbols. Write one of the symbols in each box to make the statement correct. 16 over 24 blank, 5 over 8, 4 over 5 blank, 16 over 24. So now time is given. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. Okay, the answer is 16 over 24 is greater than 5 over 8, and 4 over 5 is equals to 16 over 20. So how does it work? So we see this one here. We equalize the denominator, 8 times 3 and then 5 times 3. They go to 15 over 24. Now we know that 16 is much greater compared to 15 over 24. So that's how we get the answer. While this 4 over 5 and 16 over 20. So this one, if we simplify this one with the same common factor of 4, so we'll get 16 divided by 4 is 4 over 5. So they are equal. That's it. Okay, guys, 16. Here's a part of a bus timetable. Bus stop. All the bus stops and the community hall, the old mill, Malden Fountain, 2 Maypole, Lumley Park, station route. Bus timetable is given for each bus stop. Eva must arrive at her office before 2:15 in the afternoon. She gets off the bus at Lumley Park bus stop. It takes her 15 minutes to walk to her office from this bus stop. Alright, so now write the time of the latest bus she could get from Malden Fountain. Timer. Let's check out the answer, guys. Well, the answer is 1324. This one, 1324. This is the latest bus. Why? Because she will reach Lumley Park at 13:48 and 15 minutes enough to reach her office before 2:15. This is the latest time, so this is why we choose this. So she will reach at this time. Well, for this one, if we choose this one, it will be 1404 plus 15 will be more than 2:15 when she reach her office. So this one is not correct. Now let's move on. Well, number 17. Rajiv has 45 toy cars. He gives 1/5 of the toy cars to his friend. Write the number of toy cars Rajiv has left. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is 36. How do we get the answer? So 1/5 is given. 1/5 out of 45. We can count that is 45 divided by 5 is 9. So it's 9. So given to his friend. Now left is at first minus given, so we will get 36. Okay, let's move on. 18. Savia put 62 photos in photo frames. Each photo frame holds 8 photos. Now write the number of photo frames she could completely fill. Let's check out the answer, guys. Oh, the answer is 7. How do you get 7? So we have 62 here divided by 8. So if we see from 8 timetable, 62 divided by 8, 8 times 7, so 56. From we subtract, we'll get 6. This is less than that, so we'll get 7 completely fill of photo frame. Alright, let's move on. Okay, 19. Tick to show if these statements give an odd or an even answer. The first one has been done for you. An odd number plus an odd number, even answer. Alright, now an even number plus an odd number subtract an odd number. What is it? An odd number subtract an odd number plus an even number. What is it? Is it even or odd answer? Okay, time given. Let's check out the answer, guys. So here's the answer. What is the explanation? Even number, let's take a 2, plus odd number, let's take 1, subtract by odd number 1, so we'll get even number, of course, while odd number, let's take 5, minus odd number, let's take 1, plus an even number, let's take 2, we'll get also even, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay, that is the explanation. Next, okay, number 20. Here's a balance scale. The answer on each side of the balance scale are the same. Here 600 and 600, the total. Now that's why the balance are the scales is balanced. Right, write the number of correct number in each box to complete the balance scale. Here, timer. If you need some more time, you may pause this video. Let's check it out. So the answer is 552 and 240. How do you get that answer? So it's just simple. We have to add this up, minus 169. Well, this one the same. We add this up, and then after that, the answer is subtracted from 685, so we get 240. Alright, if you have any question, please write down in the comment section. Let's move on. Alright, 21. The term-to-term rule of a linear sequence is add 4 to the previous term. The fourth term of the sequence is 1. Write the first term of the sequence. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is negative 11. How do we get that answer? So add 4 to the previous term. So the fourth term is 1. So term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. The fourth term is 1, so this is 1. So the term 3 will be minus 4, so will be 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4, this is 1 minus 4 is we move 4 steps to the left. Now we will get minus 3, so this is minus 3, and then again we move backward, we minus 4, minus 3, move backward 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will reach minus 7 here, and then minus 7, we move again 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, so what we will get is minus 11. Alright, that is how we got this answer, minus 11. Let's move on. Alright, 22. Anastasia buy 2 items. She spent $11.84. This is the items and price. Eggs, pizza, no, washing powder. Right, 2 items that Anastasia buys. Okay guys, let's check out the answer. Well, it's egg and washing powder. So we total up them. So it's 2.85 and then 8.99 cents. So this will total up to 2 plus 8 is $10, and then 85 plus 99 cents is 184 cents. No, 184 cents we convert into 100 plus 84, so this will go to $1, 100 cents, $1, so it will add up to $11.84. So for this question, we just have to count the 2, add up the 2 items that will give us $11.84. Alright, let's move on. So write 1 digit in each box to make the number statement correct. Here we go. This blank we have to fill. Okay guys, let's check out the answer. So here we go. This is 4 times 5 times 8, 9 times 6 times 5, 6 times 7 times 5. So how do we get the answer? So in here we see that we have 4 and we just write 4, and 40 we break up into 5 times 8, that is 40. That's easy for the first one. Now for the second one, 18 times 15. Now we already given 6 here, so 18 divided by 6 is 3, so we keep 3. Now 15, it must have the factor of 5, so we write 5 here. So and then 15 divided by 5 is 3, so we have 3, and then from here we also have 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. Now for this one, since it has the factor of 5, so we will just write 5 here, and there is 7, so we just take any multiple of 7 that will end with 2, that is 7 times 6, so it's 42. So that's the answer. Next. Okay guys, 24. Mia writes information about her friends in a table. Name: Mike, Carlos, Lily, Samira. Eye color: brown, green, blue, brown. Hair color: brown, black, blonde, black. She organizes this information in a Carroll diagram. So this is the blank to fill here. Now complete her Carroll diagram. Timer. Okay, if you need some more time, please pause this video. Let's check out the answer. Well, in here is given only Mike and Samira. So this is brown eyes, not brown eyes, brown hair, not brown hair. How does it work? Mike here, we see Mike and Samira both have the similarity. Mike and Samira, the similarity is they have both brown eye color, so we put this in brown eyes as brown eyes column. Now